You've heard of D-Day, the Normandy landings, but what about the Battle of the Hedgerows? In the good old days, farmers' fields used to be much smaller than today, with more hedges along the edges, and in our gardens too, and funnily enough, full of wildlife. But I guess bushes don't really suit our modern age of convenience and automation, and unnatural straight lines and neat symmetry. And we wonder why our bird and hedgehog numbers are decreasing. And yet perhaps there's a scruffy, bushy solution staring us in the face. Hedges don't just provide shelter and food for wild critters. They also defend our homes against flooding, soil erosion, hurricanes, pollution and a scorching sun, creating a multitude of rich, diverse microclimates. So maybe we should invest more in the real thing rather than hedge fund managers. One way to get the government interested in reinstating these wildlife highways will be to point out their obvious military advantage during a hypothetical future invasion from predators, which small nesting birds have known for centuries. You try taking a shortcut through a dense, prickly bush without getting torn to shreds. Bushes posed a huge obstacle following the World War II Normandy invasion during the Hedgerow battle phase. Unlike the French bushes, hopefully our reinstated ones will never actually see any action, except as a haven for wildlife and walkers, reminding me of these ingenious bee orchids that look like the rear end of a bee, which have evolved into duping the poor unsuspecting insect into unwittingly spreading their pollen for free. Thank you for watching my video, and please feel free to leave a comment and feedback. Now that you've seen that video, you might want to click on these other cardboard adventures.